Sniper 150. No match.
Dito okay pa. Dito. Crap oh. Kakaroon ng play yan. It is subjected to failure. Yeah. This one right here, eh? As you can see, there's a crack in the rubber bushing. This is a screwdriver, by the way. I'm testing it. I am testing its integrity. And it failed. I'm a QC inspector, as you know. It failed, man. It failed my standards. Now I have a new challenge. How am I going to remove this? Huh? This shit. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the continuation of my previous video about me changing gear. Again, this is not a tutorial video, and if you have questions you can ask me in the comment section. At least subscribe, please. Okay, so we will be using the international language, which is English. For you all Filipinos out there, I know you can clearly understand me because all of you, I know and I believe that are intelligent enough to grasp what I'm about to say, or trying to say, you know, things like that. We all went to school who have English curriculum, so no problem, right? Again, I'm not a foreigner, so some of my English will be bad, and I'm trying to be slang just for the entertainment purpose. This is not about me talking, but at least I need to talk for you to be entertained. This video, I'm changing my gear. Actually, it's done. I already had my experience of the 1448 combo for this type of bike. This bike, by the way, for you who doesn't know, is RUSI CLASSIC 250. That's its name here in the Philippines. In other countries, it is also known as Peda Cafe Racer, Yingang 90, GPX Legend. It's a Chinese bike brought here by RUSI and renamed it to RUSI CLASSIC 250. It has an RE250 engine, same engine as the famous Sigma SS250, also known as Lonsin GP250. If you are familiar, you're aware. Parts are not hard actually. I already searched the internet about the engine parts, where to order. I will be uploading soon as I progress to my upgrades. And by the way, my video will be more about a DIY type of upgrades. After this gears modification, I will be modifying soon my carburetor. I already bought this carburetor right here, the PE type 28mm from Chas Ortiz. Chas Ortiz is a famous supplier of motorcycle parts here in our country. Chas Ortiz Racing Specs. Check him out. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I wish I could sponsor somebody. Call me, maybe. Oh, where were we? Why am I changing gear again? Because I want to be quick. I want a sudden burst of acceleration with the twist of my throttle. That's what this combination does to this type of bike. I am riding here in our very beautiful highways in Bataan where you don't need your top speed because you will be stopping and stopping a lot of time because of these hazards. The tricycles, large trucks, triggered drivers that instead of letting you pass, they will block you or bully you because they're bigger and you're smaller. But with this type of combination, man, I guarantee you stop and you will go very quick and you will pass these motherfuckers with ease. So the downside is I will be losing my top speed, which I do not need because I cannot stay for open wide throttle for long in this kind of environment. The advantage, stop and go traffic, very good. Uphill, downhill, curbs, bring it on, baby. This type of gearing, this type of road conditions, no match. This is a chain alignment tool I bought from China. You install it like that to guide the chain alignment. You have your side part.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching, guys. Come on, I need some motivation. I need your subscribe.
So hi, if you love my video, if you like it, please like and subscribe. Or you could also share it too. New videos every time I make a new one. Subscribe now and hit the bell button below. Where is that?